everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am taking the Urban Decay palette as requested, but using the slightly more wearable colours, I suppose, kind of focusing on the front side of the palette, and then I've used a couple of the darker ones. I'd say this is probably more of your kind of going out, sophisticated party kind of look. If you haven't already, then please like and subscribe to my channel because it really supports it. And if you would like to see this look right here, then please jump into the video. Right, so to start off with, I'm gonna do a eye base again. And I've got the Urban Decay Eden once again, just because it's going with the Urban Decay palette, so I may as well use the same brand. Just blend that with your finger. So I'm gonna pop a little bit of Mind Slip into my crease with the the Real Techniques buffing, no, that's not right either. With the Real Techniques base shadow brush, and this is gonna go up a little bit above my crease and towards the brow. I've got an angled shadow brush by Real Techniques, obviously it's angled. And I'm going to take Hacked in the crease as well. Whoop, drop the palette. This just slots really nicely into the crease area, this brush. And it also does blend, so it's quite a good one. It's nice for the corner of the eye when it's facing outwards because it naturally just blends the product off in a natural direction. These sort of colours, actually, these two colours would be really nice for wedding. Nice peachy, mauvey kind of colour. I'm going to pop a little bit of Hacked underneath the eye as well, just using the Urban Decay brush, just because it's big and fluffy. Not being too precise with it, I'm just blending it underneath. It's gone quite low. With the base shadow brush, I'm going to go into Digital, and this is going to be very lightly placed on the outer part of my eye. Just sort of tap it on the outer third into the crease. This just really smokes out the eye. Just keep wiggling the brush round and round just to keep blending it so you got no harsh lines anywhere. And just be really light-handed with the brush. Right, and then I'm gonna take this gorgeous colour that's been calling me since last week, and I'm going to take that with my finger because I think that's the best way of it going on. So I'm just going to take my ring finger and just pop it on. Well, that's probably a bit much. And this is going to go on the inner part and the middle of my eye. Oh yes, that is sparkly. So there's a little bit of fallout with it, but it's not too bad. And then just grab your brush again and just blend the edge. This would be really pretty party makeup. So I'm swiping a little bit, but I'm mainly stamping the colour on with my finger just so I'm not getting too much drag or fallout. That colour is so stunning. Just that on its own all over the lid would look also really, really nice as well. And I'm going to take a little bit of Dazed. I'm actually pretty unimpressed with this colour. It feels like you have to really push in a brush or anything to get much out, but this is just going to go on the inner part here above the crease just to give it an extra sort of peachy rose gold tone. And then on the stubby side of the Ultraviolet brush, I'm going to take a bit of Trippin, which is the lightest colour, and that's going to go on the brow bone and on the inner corner as well. Just a bit of light coming in then. I'm going to take a bit of Optimized and a little bit of Euphoric and dip them into each other. I'm still using the same brush. And this is just going to go on the outer part above the crease on the other side of the eye. Just for a little bit more of a lilac-y, lavendery colour in there. And a little bit underneath the eye again. I'll take Digital on the stumpy side of the brush, which I use Trippin, and pop that underneath the eye. on sort of the outer third of the eye. I don't think I'm gonna add liner, again, just to let the colors show through, but what I do have are the glitter liners from Urban Decay, so they're kind of sheer, and I've got Volume and Disco Daydream with me. I think I'm not gonna take away from the pink in the colors, but this is a really beautiful sort of rose goldy color that would go with the color Dazed and with VR, but I think I'll take Disco Daydream, and it's a really beautiful like iridescent, like multicolored sparkle, and this is gonna go on the inner part, just the inner part of the eye. I'm not taking it all the way along. A really pretty pop of colour. These glitter liners are awesome. They have cucumber in them, so when you put them on, they're like super cooling. However, they can tingle when they dry, and it doesn't mean you're allergic, it's just the way it dries down. But I really like it when you put it on. So that's just given a tiny bit more sparkle. Not that we need much more. But I'm just gonna curl my lashes with my Inglot lash curlers. Again, just to get them nice and uniform and up. And then I go over a second time halfway up the lashes, so not at the base, so you get a really good lift. And I've got my Caviar Volume Mascara by Mercier. And this is a lovely mascara, I really like it. Just give them nice amount of volume. Do a couple of layers of it. I'll clean up underneath my eyes using the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer in 30, and then pop it on the back of my hand and Dulux Crease Brush. Just carved a little bit around my brows, just to make them a bit sharper as well. A little bit of mascara underneath the lashes, bottom lashes, sorry. I hate doing bottom lashes. Tomorrow, guys, I'm getting my wedding dress. I cannot wait. I'm so excited to put it on again, even though I can't get it altered and stuff for another year, but it doesn't matter. I am so excited. Actually, it'll be probably today because I would have posted the video tomorrow. So today I've got my dress, if you're interested. So guys, this is my finished look. I really hope you liked it. I just literally paired on a lip liner, a NYX lip liner. This is Mauve, and I thought it would tie in really nicely with the look, obviously, because it's kind of mauvey. And then I popped on a Bourjois 3D Effect Gloss, the 8-hour hydrating one, in number 33, just to make it sort of more funky and special. But yeah, I really like the colours in the palette, and obviously you can now see you can get the really bright purple look, or something very simple. Well, simple, you could use literally the two colours, Mind Slip and Hacked, just to create a little bit of shadow in the contour of the eye. Or this would be kind of like a party going out sort of makeup, and that VR is stunning. But yeah, it definitely shows how versatile this palette is, and I'm very, very happy with it. I definitely recommend it. The only colour that I'm not happy with is Dazed, because it does not come out very much. On the finger it looks quite nice like that, but I think that's the only way of using the colour, or if you used it with some setting spray and a brush, I think it would work better, actually. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and any suggestions of what you want to see next, then pop them down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.